All right, you guys, this is a quick sample video. I'm taking a live trade. People want to sometimes see a live trade. So here's a live trade for you guys. This is triple arrows on the 30-minute. This is the GBP NZD 30 minutes. You can see that I've entered the trade right here. And so let me show you a technique that we also use, because we actually have 3 core strategies. We have several strategies you can use, from a 5-minute strategy all the way up to trading off the 4-hour or daily. Okay, but this particular strategy is called our Stairmaster. So I'm going to show you a real simple one. Right here on the 15-minute, you clearly seen that triple arrows came in earlier. You go to the 30-minute, you can verify that it is triple arrows off of there. You go to the 1-hour, we see resistance, but here's the big one. On the 4-hour, we already had an established trend with the triple arrows. You can see price came up and it hit right here against the resistance area. We call this our Stairmaster technique. So I'm going to pause this video. As you can see, it's running right now, and it's currently 9:40 p.m. Central Time, 10:40 Eastern. Okay, so we're going to see how this thing actually plays out with the triple arrow system. So bottom line is, all I needed to know realistically with this core strategy is, what are the triple arrows saying on the 4-hour, and then drop down to the 15-minute and find correlation. All right, but we already have it on the 30-minute as well. So this is a typical type of trade that we would typically see, which is called our Stairmaster. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this video and then we'll come back later on, and I got some stuff to talk to you guys about. So because this Sunday is a big launch for the Super Easy Forex family, we already got people who's excited and already rushing in to the doors to get part of this new program. So I'll tell you guys about that, but I'm gonna come back after this trade. We'll see the results in a couple of hours, because I'm gonna lay down, let this thing play out. And when I wake up, we'll check the trade, and then I'll show you that it's in positive territory. You know, how many pips it'll drop, it depends on, you know, how long I hold it. Every candle here is 4 hours, so I just need it to be in positive pips when I come back. So you see this live trade, you see where it is right now. You see where my stop loss is right up here. And when you're part of the Super Easy Forex family, I'll actually teach you where to safely place your trade so that the market makers can't stop hunt you and all these different things. And you can safely place your trades. And especially for those who are working full-time jobs, these are the type of trades that you definitely want to use, because these can play out anywhere from a few hours to a few days, and you can still be in the exact same trade. This is how I'm able to make hundreds of pips per trade, okay, easily, because I play this particular strategy as one of my long-term strategies, which is called the Stairmaster. You will learn this when you join, okay, but I just want to show you an example. But then again, once I'm done with showing the example, I'm going to come back and show you guys and discuss with you about the brand new program that's going to be launching this Sunday. Oh my God, it's going to be the bomb diggity. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It is after the London session, and look at here, 105 pipperoos. Just like we talked about, I knew it was going down. Right here, triple arrows right there, 30-minute. There we go, and 4-hour Stairmaster. This was easy money. I mean, this is just outright easy money. So I just want to show you guys a clear example of a live trade before and after, so you can see proof that our system works. So again, you've seen it before. When I first entered, I was upside down by 11 pips. You can clearly see I'm up by 112 pips, 102 pips now. So while this is running, I just want to talk to you about the fact that we are launching a big new program on this coming Sunday. We're rolling it out. It's finally here. A lot of people have been waiting on it, and we're going to do it. And so what the new program is, let me kind of go over it so you guys are aware what's happening with the new program. Okay. All right. So what's happening with the new program, we're going to be doing what's called the 6-figure challenge. All right. And with the 6-figure challenge, It's going to be led by one of our own six-figure traders. And so it's going to be a actively highly active program where you're actually going to be with this six-figure person, live with them, actively looking for trades and helping them to scale up really quick to help you build a six-figure income really quickly. Okay, hands-on. It's going to be intense, really great stuff. Okay, to help you build your income really fast. All right. Number two, we're also going to have a second person who is also one of our trainers who has been killing the markets as well. And they're going to be providing you with education on how to use the 5-minute charts. I know a lot of people want to trade short time frames. The 5-minute chart in combination with the Ichimoku cloud and the daily time frame. There's a certain tweaking technique that this person uses using our triple arrow system. That person will be doing a live class every week on Mondays for the time being. They're going to be doing that, and you'll be able to see for yourself and learn from this professional six-figure trader as well on how to utilize that strategy. Okay, then there's more. Then there's also what's called our daily dot indicator. Our daily dot indicator is pretty unique because what it does is it actually will send you out information. Now, one of these is going to be taken off because I'm working on another secret. So I'm going to take this one off. But as you can see, the daily dot, when it comes in, is pretty nice, pretty solid when it comes to pointing out support and resistance levels. I'll show you a couple more examples. Let me unlock my screen so you can see this. This all comes with the new program. So right here, you can see when price were bouncing off, it was bouncing off these levels. What's nice about it is these levels actually came in and they send an alert to your phone to let you know, hey, there's a support level or there's a resistance level. So it'll send the alert to you in advance so that you know that these levels have popped in, and you can always check and see exactly what you want to see. And, if it works for you, take the trade. But see, look at how consistent this was so far. Now, you're not going to win every single trade, you know that, but look at how consistent this was with this one here. Every time these popped in, it was pretty spot on. Not bad at all. That's also included with the challenge. Also, we have another one called our Stairmaster and triple arrow dashboard. So we created a specific tool that actually is going to scan the different pairs and the different time frames of your choice. And it will actually send an alert to your phone when there's actually a setup. So instead of you having to stay up, like for an example, the GBP NZD, the Stairmaster setup that I showed you guys, that was pretty cool. But wouldn't it be nice if it just sent it to your phone saying, hey, there's a Stairmaster setup. Hey, there's a triple arrow setup. Yes, we have that tool available, and it has mobile email alerts. And also, one more thing. What's really nice is all of this is also going to be included with one more big thing that people have been looking for, and that's our signal service. Yes, we got a signal service coming out as well with all of these different things, all the six-figure challenge, the Mr. Elvis's teaching on how to trade the 5-minute charts with the Ichimoku cloud and the daily time frames, the 2 new trading tools, which is the scanning tool, which is our daily, our dashboard, which will provide you with information and send alerts to you about the triple arrow setups and Stairmaster setups like the one you see me take just now. And then also, we also have the signal service. So it's very cheap. It's only $69 a month flat fee for that. But before you be able to participate in the six-figure challenge, which again is going to be an intensive, the whole program is really centered around the six-figure challenge to help you make 6 figures as quick as possible. Okay. But all these other things are included at no additional cost for $69 a month. Now, there is a caveat. You do have to have the triple arrow system first. So before you try to do the $69 a month, it's an option. But you do have to purchase the system first so that we're all on the same page using the same exact triple arrow system. Okay, that's part of the rules. So make sure if you're ready, purchase the system, and then you can always come back and you can get involved in the $69 a month challenge. So by far, of course, you can realize this is beyond a valuable package that we're offering to you guys. Many companies, and some of you guys are in them now, where they're charging a whole lot more money and you're getting a whole lot less. But that's what we're here to do with Super Easy Forex. We want to try to promote and help people learn how to be successful in trading Forex without paying high-end prices, even though we're giving high-end service. As you can see right here, look, I'm up 111 pips. So you clearly see a live trade of what we do. So why don't you come on and get on board with us, and we'll be here to take care of you. And, you know, we just want to make sure that you're a part of the Super Easy Forex family and getting some value and getting some learning and getting some money in your pocket. Okay. So anyway, have a great weekend, and we'll see you here inside the Super Easy Forex family. The best way to get inside of the Super Easy Forex family is really, really simple. Please just visit Super Easy, 2 letters, supereasyforex.com. And then you'll click on the join button and just go through the process. And what's nice about it is because you'll have immediate access, by the way, as well. Immediate access means that as soon as you click on there and you go through the enrollment process and purchase the system, you can go instantly back in with the username and password that you created to get started. There's no waiting, and you'll be ready for next week's trading. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let you go, and I'm gonna go back to sleep myself because it's actually very early. It's actually 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 3:30 a.m. Central Time. Okay, so it's time for me to go back to bed. I just want to do a quick proof video, live before and after video, so you can see for yourself that the triple arrow system is a beast. We make good money here. All right, have a good day.